Hi there. AI Governance is Jamf's brand new tool for viewing, configuring, and reporting on all AI usage happening on managed computers in your environment. Let's see how to enable AI governance. First, log in to Jamf account. Note, your user must have the administrator role in Jamf account to enable AI governance, so make sure you have the proper permissions before beginning. In the Jamf account sidebar, click AI Governance, then AI Visibility. If you have multiple tenants in Jamf account, you may see an additional Environment menu above AI Visibility. If you do, be sure to choose your desired environment, such as production, before enabling AI governance. When ready, click Enable AI Governance. This enables the feature for your environment and creates a custom role assigned to your user, granting access to AI governance in Jamf account. If AI governance does not successfully enable, verify that your production environment is selected and try again. To grant access to additional users, navigate to Organization, Users and Contacts. Click the three dots for the desired user, then click Assign Roles. Select the AI Governance role and click Save. We can also create custom roles with limited access, say for users who only need to view AI governance reports, from Organization, Roles and Privileges, then assigning the role like we just saw. That's all it takes to get started governing AI on Mac with confidence. If you ran into any issues, you can get help right from Jamf account. Just click Contact Support in the top right corner. For a list of full requirements for AI governance, check out the links in the video description. Thanks for watching.